Free traffic from ebook and document sharing sites. For many years, article marketing was one of the most widely used free traffic generation methods. In recent times, it has fallen out of favor with Google, but there is still plenty of free traffic using article marketing and other document sharing sites. Now, there are lots of free sites out there that you can use to either share an article or share an ebook or different documents, be them PowerPoints or infographics. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to take a look at some of the most popular ones right now. And without a doubt, the most popular of the article directories is going to be eZine articles. What's great about eZine articles is what you can do is you can place simple, little, very highly targeted, keyword targeted articles in your niche, okay, and then point back to your website with a resource box. They have lots of, pretty much any niche that you can think of, there's going to be a category for it at eZine articles. And eZine articles is really a great way to get a little bit of free traffic to your site, or if you really go heavy in article marketing, you can get a lot of free traffic. Another great site is going to be freeebooks.net. Very popular. You can put free ebooks in here, okay, where you talk about whatever your topic is, and then at the end of the free ebook, have a call to action, either to visit your website or to visit your website to opt in to a squeeze page or to get free information or to learn some sort of secret that wasn't covered in your free ebook. All right? And these sites, if we go to alexa.com, we can see that if we check on eZine articles, Alexa says it's the 608th most popular site in the universe. And that tells you that if you put content on that site and link back to your website, you're going to be able to tap into some of that free traffic that is just out there waiting for you. Okay? Freeebooks.net is another site. While it's not, in the top 100, it's still one of the top 10,000 sites out of the millions of sites out there. And it's a great place for you to tap into it, get some free traffic to your site by just submitting simple PDF ebooks. They don't need to be long, they just need to give a little bit of information and then send them to your website. That's the way that you do this. Another really popular site is called slideshare.net. Slideshare is great for sharing information with people in the form of slideshow presentations that you can use either with PowerPoint or even OpenOffice. You can create free presentations and also infographics. And there's plenty of free tools out there that you can use to just turn ordinary, regular content that you have, like an article, into either a SlideShare or an infographic. There's plenty of free tools out there. Some other very popular sites out there are going to be DocsTalk. That's a site that's geared mainly towards business and technology related niches. There's Smashwords. Smashwords is great for fiction and nonfiction ebooks. You can upload a free ebook there, entice them with your material, and drive them to your website with either a call to action or a simple link going back to your site for the person to learn more about whatever it is that you're talking about in your niche. Another great site is going to be AuthorStream. AuthorStream has many different categories, and AuthorStream is PDFs only. All you're going to use at AuthorStream is PDFs. But you can see when we go through the Alexa rankings for some of these different sites, they're just extremely popular. Like you look at SlideShare. You wouldn't think a site like this would be that popular, but it's ranked 122nd, which is just fabulous. You can put your content on there, okay, and then siphon off some of that traffic that they're getting to your website. It's just a great way to get lots and lots of free traffic that you wouldn't be able to get because you wouldn't be able to reach that many people. DocsTalk is great. Like I said, it's great for business documents and technology type of thing. Smashwords, like I said, there's lots of free fiction here, free nonfiction, and it's just a wildly popular site. You'd be surprised how popular some of these sites are that you may have never even heard of, and they just have free traffic that they're willing to give you in exchange for you putting this content up on their site. Another site is MyClick. They have many different categories. You can do both PowerPoints and PDFs. So you can either do some little presentation or just a quick PDF report, give some information in your niche, have a great title, and entice people to go ahead and click over to your website. There's also pdfcast.org. That's another site that's PDFs only. Very easy to use. They show you how to use it. Once again, it's a popular site. And then this next one here is going to be SlideBoom. SlideBoom is cool. They have lots of different categories, but the thing with SlideBoom is they are PowerPoint presentations only. Okay? And then we got more. We got lots more of these document sharing sites. You have Kalemo, which is a great up-and-coming site. You have PowerShow.com, which allows you to put up PowerPoint presentations. SlideServe, they have many different categories, and they allow PowerPoints only. And then finally, Amazon. A lot of people don't know it, but you can get tons of free traffic from Amazon. And the way that you get that traffic from Amazon is because of the popularity of e-readers. Okay, Amazon, they allow you to publish free Kindle books, okay, and then you can use their traffic, their built-in audience. You can have your Kindle book and you can drive people after they're done reading that Kindle book or to get more information from you, they can go ahead and get it on your website or your blog. Wherever you want to send them to, you can do that with free ebooks on Amazon. And it's just a really great, a lot of people don't think of getting free traffic from Amazon, but you put together yourself a nice free Kindle book. It can even, you don't need to have a lot of content, something small, even like a 5 to 10 page quick little report that you format for Kindle, direct people in that ebook to visit your website for more information, and you're going to get lots of free traffic that way.